Angel, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to talk about this Plum Green Tea Mist. It's a must-have product in every girl's bag. This Plum Face Mist comes into two variants. First is grapeseed and second is green tea. I am using this green tea mist because of my oily and acne-prone skin. This bottle comes in 100 ml and it costs you around 360 rupees. As you can see, it's come with a fine nozzle spray. This mist have very nice and fresh fragrance. It's a paraben free and vegan. Now I will talk about the usage of this mist. First, you can use this as a toner. After wash your face, you can use this on your bare face. Second, you can use this as a primer before applying the makeup. It's keep your skin hydrating. Third, you can use this as a makeup setting spray and a fixer. If you are stepping out, so you can carry this mist in your bag, so you can hydrate anytime on anywhere. It gives you an instant glow and hydration and remove your tiredness and redness. I hope this product review will helpful for you and I have mentioned this product link in my description box. Till then, take care. Bye.